Everybody, how are you doing today? This is William Bibbs from Free Power, and we're welcome you back to our channel. We're going to talk about something that, well, one thing amongst many things that Aptera will allow you to do or will do that many automakers will not allow you to do. And so let's get right into it.
Losing my mind, can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying to get reason right. Let's take our time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, 'cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that Aptera will allow you to do, which is they give you the right to repair their vehicle. And that's something that's amazing because, with a lot of auto companies, you have to take your vehicle into the shop because you have no idea what's going on. Well, Aptera is going to change a lot of that. Yes, they are. Oh gosh, I love this company. These guys are really taking care of you. Steve Fambro and Chris Anthony are really going to take care of you. That's why you got to invest in this vehicle. They are bringing so much to the table. You cannot ignore this company. They are going to really explode once everybody finds out exactly what Aptera is all about. I'm telling you, they are really going to take this to the next two levels. Not the next level, the next two levels. So yes, we're going to get into that. Let's go ahead and let's just take a look at this.
Hi, my name is Daniel Morris. I'm an engineer here at Aptera, and I work with the vehicle integration team. So I try to bring everything together and make sure it's an integrated system that gets to you as a highly functional vehicle. We're also making it so the car is going to be repairable and serviceable, and making it so it is easy to perform any maintenance so you don't mechanically total a car just because you need new brakes. At least for me, right to repair means that you are able to repair. There's not any barriers put up by the manufacturer. If you decide to repair your Aptera on your own, there will be documentation that's very clear and very user-friendly, explaining exactly what steps are required. That would allow you or any qualified independent shop to easily diagnose and repair your Aptera. Within the toolkit, there will be a set of tools that can do 80% of the jobs that would be required. We want to make it easy. We want to make it so any user who feels like they're confident in their abilities, they will be able to look at it and they will know exactly what needs to be done, and then that in turn will actually make them more confident and be able to have successful repairs. Really specialized tools or specialized processes that are impossible to do. It'll be like if you need to recalibrate something, you can do it. So the most challenging part of my job is probably going from the big picture of we want this to be a very efficient, serviceable, and long life vehicle, and distilling that down to like what screw you're going to use. Where is it going to be accessed from? You have to look at that from both when it's accessed in the field and also when it's being assembled. So it's really, really difficult to kind of have the big picture and then be able to apply that down to the smallest detail. So a fun part of my job here at Aptera is I've become the designated test driver. So I get to drive a bunch of very unique and interesting and amazing people around, and everyone is so enthusiastic about the car and its capabilities. It can all seem like a pipe dreamer until you actually get in the car, and I may have a bit of a lead foot and we pull out away, and then that is really the the sensation that really gets to people. Where it's like, oh, this is a real vehicle. If I had to choose, I would probably choose Soul. I very much like kind of the black and white aesthetic. It's kind of a bit of a like stormtrooper look. On a road trip, I would want to take the Aptera probably right up the California coast. It's a really beautiful drive.
Man, oh man, how can you not be impressed with this company? Oh my goodness. They're going to give you the part, they're going to send you some of the tools, they're going to give you the instructions how to repair it. This company is off the charts. It's off the charts, I'm telling you. Oh gosh, I wish I had the money to get these guys started. I'd throw all my money into this company right now. But I don't. So the reality is I can't. But I know some of you guys out there do. You can do this, and you probably have friends that can help. Oh man, you guys need to be all over this. Wow, all over this. I would just, oh gosh. Let me calm down. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at the accelerated kick program. Let's see how that's doing right now. Let's see who's in the lead. No doubt it's probably RP still in the lead, and right now we have 325 investors. So 3 more have joined. It's up to 4.24 million. And like I said, RP is number 1, JB's number 2, GT's number 3, PG's number 4, and WT is 5th. But actually, everybody on this channel here is in an outstanding position to get their Aptera first. So that is awesome. But I'm not a financial advisor, and I would actually talk to one to see about investing in this company. Oh gosh, I don't see how anybody can't get involved with this. But if you want to go ahead and get you an Aptera, you can actually download this link and save $30 off the down payment. And just put $70 down, it's all refundable. But yes, I would definitely be all over this company, getting this baby out, getting them rocking, because no company is going to come close, not even close to what Aptera is offering with their vehicle. Golly, I tell you, man, oh man, oh man. But now I'm going to give a shout out to my guys. You guys are awesome. Hey, if you're new here, hit the like, ring the bell, subscribe, and you'll catch all my videos that are coming out about Aptera. And this would be a good time to really invest in them. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. You know, you have to go to your own guide to see if you want to get involved with Aptera. And if you just want to get the vehicle, you can use my link. Or if you got the money and you want to put $10,000 down and you know, become a part of Aptera, that's awesome too. But y'all take care. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.